The right weekly split and training frequency can be key for achieving proper results in the shortest time frame. There are many different approaches out there. So in this video, we will discuss 3 of my favorite weekly breakdowns for building muscle mass, aka hypertrophy, which have helped my clients achieve great results. One of the rules for program design is the higher the frequency, the faster the results, provided recovery is intact. So if you can do 4 or even 5 sessions a week, provided your sleep and recovery are great, then you will see much faster results. Let's have a look now to our breakdowns in case you can train only 3 times per week.
In option 1, we have legs and shoulders on Monday, chest and back on Wednesdays, and arms and core on Fridays. In option 2, we have legs and shoulders as in option 1 on Mondays. Wednesdays we have chest, triceps and abs. Fridays we have back, biceps and lower back. Let's have now a look to split 2. This split has 4 sessions a week. The 4th session can get you 50% more results. So it's always worth getting that 4th session for exponential results. Also here we have 2 options similar to the first split. We have a different breakdown of the upper body sessions. The last split is for people who want to prioritize their transformation and aim for maximal results with a higher frequency of 6 sessions a week. Now you may ask when to use option 1 and when to prefer option 2. I would say if you want to prioritize arms hypertrophy, then you go for option 2. The reason therefore is the following. The combination of compound movements for the upper body, which are using the arms as chin-ups, dips, bench presses or rows, and isolating exercises for the arms will potentiate the stimulus better and make sure the muscle fibers are challenged, more than in option 1. But overall, both options of all splits are very good and shall be used as variations.
Like this content? Subscribe now and hit the bell for instant notification. Thank you for watching.